Happy 2021, everybody, and welcome to the first video of 2021. This is a continuation of yesterday's video where we made Hangover Souffle. So this is what it looks like in the morning. If you remember last night, or you can go back to that video and watch it, when we were done putting these all together, we poured a milk and egg mixture over it, and it came up to half of the sandwiches. So putting it in the refrigerator, letting it soak overnight, all of that liquid is absorbed into deliciousness. So next we are going to cover it with foil for 40 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Then you're going to uncover it for an additional 10 minutes and wait for it to brown. And just get it as brown and crunchy as you want. You can top this with some green onions if you like. Adds just a little bit of flavor to it. Makes it amazing. Try this, you guys. It's good for any occasion, for any day. Like I said last night, we do this mainly for holidays, for Easter, Christmas, New Year's. Usually not Christmas and New Year's, but we're doing it this year because I love it and I've missed it this year a lot. So I've been craving it, so we're having it twice. So this is a family favorite of ours. It's a tradition of my husband's, like I said yesterday, and for the last 20 years we've adopted this tradition, and it's been amazing. This is the most amazing comfort food ever. And a serving is usually like 3 of these sandwiches, and then we'll snack on it again for lunch and have it again tomorrow morning. It's just that good. It's amazing. So if you guys try this, please let me know what you think, or if you've had something similar to this kind of a breakfast casserole, let me know as well. So thank you for joining me this morning. Again, Happy New Year, everybody. Lots to come this year. I'll do a channel update later on today of what we have coming. I have lots of series coming, lots of good videos and informative things that I think everybody will be able to use for 2021. So this is going to go in the oven, and we're going to eat breakfast and celebrate the new year, which is also my amazing daughter's birthday. She thinks since she's been born, the world celebrates for her birthday, which is not untrue. So happy birthday to my daughter, Jen. She's my New Year's baby. Was pretty cool. She was the second one born where we lived. Just missed it by the first being born from twins just an hour earlier. So happy birthday, Jen. Happy New Year, everybody. And enjoy today, you guys. And like always, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Please leave a comment. And we do have a giveaway coming up just in a couple days for 5,500 plus subscribers, and numerous gifts are going to be sent out, mostly through Amazon. So there's no contact delivery, straight to your house. It's going to be really cool. If you want to be a part of that, please subscribe. You do have to be a subscriber. Only my subscribers are going to be eligible to win the contests and all the prizes. So please subscribe. And if you're interested in canning, gardening, dehydrating, cooking, new recipes, and some of our wild adventures that we hope to have more of in 2021, please subscribe. Be a part of the Canning Nana family. Lots of good things in store. Enjoy your breakfast, guys. Have a wonderful New Year's Day.